here, and this is my new favorite gadget. I work from home and I'm on the computer all the time, and my eyes get strained and I get massive headaches. This has been a game changer. Here's the power button. All I've got to do is push it and it turns on. It tells me to close my eyes, relax, and enjoy. What I really like about it is, as it's putting the pressure on, it's got a light melody and it has heat. The heat function is my favorite function of the mask. It is actually massaging my eyeballs right now, but I like the heat sensation, and it helps relax my temple area. So here, as I set up, you can see the balls inside of it as it's moving. This will also inflate with air pressure. The adjustable, it's got the adjustable strap, and so that way I can fit it nice and snug on my head. You can hear the light melody that it has. Now you can adjust the heat if you don't want to have heat on. You can adjust the pressure. And so I really like the fact that I can adjust it to fit whatever it is that I'm feeling that day. This is very relaxing in the evening. If you don't want the music, I can turn it off. I can turn the music off. I can adjust the pressure. So it's got all of the little buttons right here that are very easy to use with the touch of a finger. So I hope you found the review helpful.